looking at 2004 Ford Focus SE, four-door sedan. Has alloy wheels, all tires I would say about 70% tread left. It has scratches and dents all over the body, as you can see on the right quarter, right door, some on the bumper. On the left quarter the ding and doors are scratched. And this car has salvage title, but as you can hear, motor runs and transmission shifts nice, so drives without problems. It has power windows, power mirrors, power door locks, 2 key fobs, what is keyless entry. Right now odometer is 68,715 miles. Radio CD works. And if you would like more information about this car or any other our vehicles, please visit www.rebuiltcars.com.